Hello everybody, welcome to our phonics lesson, especially for preschool children. I'm going to hold some objects up and I wonder if you can tell me what they are. Are you ready? That's right, we have an ambulance, alligator, ant. All of these things start with the sound A. A for ambulance, A for alligator, A for ant. Let's practice saying A. Can you say A? A. Let's use a sad voice. Ah. And let's use a happy voice. Ah. Can you say ah to Tabitha, the listening bear? Well done. Let's play our flashcard game where I either show you an ah and you say ah, or I show you an ant and you say ant. Ah. Ah. Ant. Ah. Fantastic. So the ah starts at the top. It goes around all the way back up, down and flick. Let's try and write it in the air. Are you ready? Start at the top, go around all the way back up, down and flick. Let's do it together. Start at the top, go around, down and flick. Well done. I've got some things in my bag that belong to the dinosaurs. Things that start with the S sound belong to the orange dinosaur, and things that start with the A sound belong to the blue dinosaur. I wonder if we can give the things back to the right dinosaurs. I'm going to hold an object up. If it starts with a S, I want you to say S, and I'll know to give it to the orange dinosaur. And if it starts with an A, I want you to say A, nice and loud, okay? I have an astronaut. Astronaut. That starts with an A, doesn't it? I have a snowman. Snowman. That starts with a S sound. I have an apple. Apple. I can hear an A in apple. I have a snake. Snake. Yes, snake starts with a S sound. Fantastic. Let's try saying the sounds we've learnt so far and see how many we can remember. S, A. And now some things for you to try at home. Why not put some flour in a frying pan and use a paintbrush to write the sound A, like this. Say A, 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 A. You could ask somebody to hide some little cards with the sound A around the house, and then you can go and look for them, and if you find them, say A. If you're feeling creative, you might want to get some little sticky dots, or you might want to just cut out some bits of paper and make your own. And then you can decorate the ah. Each time you put a dot on, you say ah, 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 ah. If you haven't got sticky dots, you could just get some Pritt stick and glue around the outline and then give your children some coloured shapes to stick on. We've reached the end of today's programme. Remember to look for the next oral blending and segmenting video, as this will be really helpful when your children come to start to blend words together. If this has been at all useful, then please could you subscribe to my channel, as it would be really helpful. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. Bye.